On this episode, we are going to be taking a closer look and checking out the difference between the Bellroy Standing Pouch, the Bellroy Standing Pouch Plus, and the Bellroy Desk Pouch. Coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jin from Oribags, and on this channel we are all about coming up with product videos and tips to help you carry better. So if you're new to the channel, why not subscribe to us, and don't forget to hit that bell button too. So today we're going to be checking out 3 products from Bellroy. Now they launched these sometimes last year in 2020, and now that I finally got my hands on all 3 products, let's take a closer look at them. Now, to be very honest with you, when I first saw these products online, it was pretty hard for me to tell the difference between them. I mean, I get that there is a difference in design, but I didn't really grasp the value each product offered immediately, and I really wasn't sure which one suited me better. Now, this is just me, but I'm pretty sure that there are many of you out there who might feel the same way. You're not sure which one actually suits you better. And that's exactly what I'm going to help you with today. I will share with you the inspiration and value behind each product to help you make a more sound decision before you make a purchase. So let's take a look at each product. This is the Bellroy Standing Pouch. This is the smaller one. This is the Bellroy Standing Pouch Plus. And this is the Bellroy Desk Pouch. Now, I'm not going to go through the dimensions with you. Instead, I'm going to list them all in the description box below so you can check them out at any time during this video. Now, one thing that these 3 products have in common is that it is designed and produced in a responsible and sustainable manner. And it's good for the planet. Now, the Standing Pouch and the Standing Pouch Plus is made entirely from plant-based material, while the Desk Pouch is made from recycled materials. So really hats off to Bellroy for being a brand and a company that cares about the environment. And now let's take a look at the overall exterior of all 3 products. Let's start with the Standing Pouches. Alright, so now let's take a closer look at the Standing Pouches. So obviously there is a size difference between the 2. And I think after taking a very good look at them, I think the one thing that really stands out for me, or more like doesn't stand out, but in a good way, is its simplicity. I think there's just something very quiet about the design of these pouches. And there's also something very Japanese minimalist about the design. I'm not quite sure if Bellroy designers had any inspirations from that, but I remember watching a behind the scenes video, and the designers highlighted that the Standing Pouch is actually a great piece for people working from home. So its casual demeanor, I guess, is kind of deliberate, and with regards to the Standing Pouch Plus, it's a really great piece. It's good for you to, it's meant for you to bring around with you from the study room to the couch in front of the TV, where you can laze about with your notebook or your laptop, and when you're done you can just throw everything inside. So it's not a rigid piece, and it's big enough, or it's generous enough to work with whatever your lifestyle. And it's got a grab loop right here, and for you to grab and go, so it's easy for you to pull out of deep bags. And when the best part is when you're not using it, look at how flat it packs away. It's beautiful. It's practically flat. And one day when we are able to travel freely again, this will be a great piece to have around while you're traveling. So, this one, the Standing Pouch Plus, is big enough for you to store some amenities, even toiletries. And let's talk a little bit about the material. So the material is made with fabric woven from sustainably harvested wood pulp and upcycled cotton offcuts. Now the branding detailing over here is made from Miriam, a 100% biodegradable plant-based material. So this entire product is leather-free. Now on the inside, there's really just 3 very easy-going organizational pockets. Now it is the same in both the Standing Pouch and the Standing Pouch Plus. Let me give you a closer look. So you can see two organizational pockets over here. In the Standing Pouch Plus, there is a center pocket over here for a pen or a marker pen or whatever. And there is a larger compartment over here for whatever you want to put. And the base is sort of expandable. You can see the bottom here. So you can actually expand it out and you can load up whatever it is that you want inside here. So they both have a wide base so that it can stand on its own. And with the Standing Pouch Plus, you can actually fit in quite a fair bit of things. We're talking about your charging cables, and I mean, you can fit your MacBook charging cables, keys, a magic mouse, a pair of headphones, an A5 notebook, even your e-reader, you can throw it in here. And for the sake of some people who are definitely gonna ask me this, is it going to fit a water bottle? I've got a mini water bottle right here. This is a Q bottle, okay? Just to show you that if you have a small water bottle like this, it will fit inside here. I know you must be wondering, why would you put a water bottle inside here? But trust me, for the sake and the benefit of anybody who is watching this and who is wondering, I just want to show you that it will fit a small size water bottle in here. So with the Standing Pouch Plus, it's just one of those designs where it's got a generous space for you to freely work with your lifestyle and your needs. For the smaller Standing Pouch, I would put this in my handbag and carry it around with me. It's a great pouch to store my hand sanitizer, face mask, hand cream, a mini power bank, and basically anything else that you can think of. I mean, if you had very little electronics to carry around with you, this could even be a pouch that fits your MacBook charger, magic mouse, and a handphone charger. Now let's take a look at the desk pouch. Now the desk pouch has a more aerodynamic design, and you can tell that the desk pouch means business. Bellroy designed this pouch with the hot desk in mind, so maybe you're one of those people who are not bound to one workstation, or you frequently work from a cafe or a co-working space. Now the desk pouch is a great go-to piece to store all your on-the-go gear. And the great benefit from using the desk pouch or even the Standing Pouches is that it frees up tabletop space. And now let's take a look inside. So like the Standing Pouch Plus, the desk pouch also has a wide base so that it can stand freely on its own. It's got organizational compartments that are a little bit more serious compared to the Standing Pouches. So you've got two pockets over here, you've got a center pocket for a pen right here, and it's got a zipper compartment right here. So this is good for your cables or smaller items that you want to keep from rolling around. Okay, now one very obvious feature is the opening of this desk pouch. Now the zippers run all the way and curves down, allowing easier and a more open view of your gear, and it allows you to access your gear very easily while you are working from your desk, and you don't have to stand up and look down from the inside. Now just like the Standing Pouches, when not in use, the desk pouch also packs away flat. So what can you fit inside the desk pouch? Now although it's ever so slightly shorter than the Standing Pouch Plus, it can still hold quite a bit. Now the desk pouch fits all my gear, from my MacBook charger, my magic mouse, my A5 notebook, a pair of earphones for any online meetings that I might have, my Apple Watch charger, face mask, and even my hand sanitizer. So these are basically all the necessities I need when I'm working from a hot desk. And I must say that it really works. And I do understand and I do get the design value here with the desk pouch. Alright peeps, so now you know the difference between the Bellroy Standing Pouches and the Bellroy Desk Pouch. Now I hope this video has helped you decide on which one is more suitable for your needs and your lifestyle. Now, if you're interested to get these pouches, you can get them directly from our website, which is oribags.com. You'll be able to get all the information that you need, including the most updated price. Or you can just hit the link in the description box below and it'll take you straight to the product page. And lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Alright peeps, now you know the difference between the Bellroy standing pouches and the Bellroy... One more time. Take 3.